Okay, today we're looking at this, the Suncrafter F200B. It's ultralight, it's flexible, and it boasts 200 watts of power that you can fold away like a jacket. Plus, it's £200 cheaper than the Amaran F22x. So the big question is, should you buy this light? Let's find out. The F200B. F stands for flexible, 200 is 200 watts, B is for bicolor. We are talking a 60 by 60 centimeter matte, 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin color range, 10 inbuilt lighting effects, weighs in at around 800 grams, and comes in at around £364 in the UK or $449 in the US. So straight away on paper, it undercuts the F22x, while actually scoring slightly better on color accuracy. Impressive start. In the kit you get the mat itself, a foldable frame and frame rods, a controller box, a 3-meter 5-pin cable, diffusion cloth, a grid, softbox attachment, power supply and carrying bag. The bag could use a little bit more padding, but once you see how solid the actual light is and the controller, that kind of worry just disappears. Setup is actually dead simple. Slide the frame rods in, attach the adapter, slap it on a stand, velcro the softbox and grid if you want, and you're rolling. What I like is that everything feels tougher than a lot of cheap mats I've used in the past. The cable has strain relief so it's not pulling loose, and the controller is designed to hang off your stand so you're not fumbling around on the floor. The controller itself is straightforward, one knob for dimming, one for color temp, plus effects and Bluetooth buttons. It steps through quickly so you can jump from 20 to 100% really fast. There's also fan cooling inside the controller, but honestly, you'll barely hear it once it's off your desk. The F22B works with the Lumen app. You can change brightness, color temperatures, trigger effects, or even put it in music reactive mode so it flashes to sound. That's a fun touch for creators who maybe shoot a lot of music videos. Here's what it looks like raw with no modifiers. Now with the included softbox and diffusion, way smoother. And finally with the grid attached, controlled, punchy, no spill. I'm actually using the F200B as my key light at the moment, and the output is really solid for the price point. For this quick test, I kept it simple. Just me on the sofa with a single lamp in frame. The Suncrafter adding a soft kiss of light to my face, subtle enough to feel like it's coming from the lamp itself. I'm using an anamorphic lens here too, so you can get that cinematic feel to it. What's really cool about this F200B is how easy it blends. Soft, controllable, and supernatural. It's a kind of light that looks invisible, but makes the shot. Because the Suncrafter is so light, I have no problem elevating up high on like a C-stand. The color accuracy is more than good enough for commercial shoots and YouTube videos. So other than using it as a key light, what else would I use it for? I'd definitely use it as a top light for product shoots. And also anywhere where space is limited. Now, of course, it's not perfect. In the future, I'd like to see an RGB version of this light maybe. And a V-mount battery option would be great for portability too. But for the price, this thing punches way above its weight. So the question is, should you buy an F200B? If you're after a flexible bicolor light that's affordable, lightweight, and doesn't feel cheap, then yeah, it's definitely worth a look. I'll leave the link below if you want to check it out yourself. Let me know in the comments if you would use this as a key light too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.